Monitoring water is fairly inexpensive in most cases. It will depend on your specific needs, but in most cases, a water monitor, flow meter can cost anywhere as low as $50 for a 3/4 inch meter that installs on your copper pipe. It goes up in price a little bit as your pipe size increases, up to, let's say, for 1.5 inch, you might be looking at $300 to $400 depending on the material you use for your flow meter. For end of pipe, there are very cheap flow meters that will install right onto your tap, and those are as low as $40, and they sell great ones in lots of different home hardware stores. Norman Hardy is a good example of how simple and straightforward water meters can be and the benefits. We showed up here at 8 in the morning with their local plumber. We installed 2 inline flow meters within probably 30 minutes. We installed a flow meter on their cistern, and we installed 4 tap flow meters. And it was less than an hour before we were back operational. And now Norman Hardy has gone from absolutely no data to regularly monitoring all their different points in the distribution system. They'll know how much total water they're using every day, and they'll be able to make very informed decisions moving forward.